In this next topic, there is a new carbon fiber Aero kit that is coming out for the Model 3 Performance. In case you missed it, let's take a look at it. But if you're just joining in, my name is Dennis. I love talking about Tesla deals, so definitely hit that subscribe if you're interested. Shout out to Unplugged Performance. They posted this. Ultra Red is coming in hot on the new Model 3 Performance with full carbon fiber Aero kit, shown here for the first time with carbon fiber high efficiency rear spoiler. We've got some renderings here, some prototyping, I would assume, and it looks to be really nice. You can see how much more extended this actually gets, and is probably adding a lot more aerodynamics and efficiency for the track for what it is built for. We can see from the rear, we can see this massive spoiler on the back side. We can see, of course, the up wheels, I think up 05s, I think as they're calling it, but it's cool really to see of all the different things that Unplugged Performance is rolling out. If you want to see this full catalog, you can see it on their website directly of all the crazy things and all the different parts that you can actually add onto it. And fun fact, our Tesla Cybertruck, we dropped it this morning in the early morning, and it is actually getting rewrapped again by the amazing team at BulletProof Automotive Spa, and so which is a sister company of Unplugged Performance. We're going with an interesting color with a couple different Easter eggs as well. And so definitely hit that subscribe and tune in for the reveal of the latest rendition of our Tesla Cybertruck. And shout out to the team at Bulletproof Performance, or Bulletproof Auto Spa, and of course Unplugged Performance for all the different hospitalities. But definitely some pretty interesting stuff. Let us know, would you be getting this Aero kit for your Model 3 Performance, or would you be going in a different direction? And let us know what you think of it in terms of the craziness or how it actually looks. But